bolt everything back on. I'm gonna plug them in and see. LiQWYD back with another video. Play ball. As y'all see, man, I'm in my garage. RSX is here. Everything is much nicer and neater up under the hood. So as I was explaining a couple videos ago, this was like all taped right here. If you didn't go watch, the video when I was talking about this, when I first bought the car, this was all loose. But I got a, factory, well, not factory, but a brand new intake hose. And this is what's aftermarket, so I have to replace that. And yeah, but as y'all see the title and the thumbnail, we are here today to do that. So from what I've seen, man, bumper does have to come off, which I did not want to be in this garage and doing this modification and under the hood. But I got to do what I got to do, especially if I want some new lights. I do want to go ahead and throw some LEDs in there, but I don't think I'm going to put them in at the moment. So I probably will have to take them off again. I do actually have some LEDs right here, but I don't know if they're going to fit on here. So we finna, plug and play with this a little bit and yeah, see what goes on. So other than that, man, let's get into this video. All right, so from what I've seen, I think we need a 10. Yep, 10 will get us in. So we got a 10. And I think we'll go pull this off. And pull that off. Let me make sure this is the correct. Yeah, so we'll pull that off. Pull that off, and that should be it. I think once we get those two off, I don't know for sure if we got to pull these off, but we'll see as we go. My dear friends, you will have to jack the car up. If you don't have a jack, you probably won't be able to do this. We're gonna have to pull off, let me show y'all a few of these little bolts, because the bumper's about to drop. So the bumper definitely has to come off. So yeah, I'm about to jack the car up. Once it gets up, we'll pull those. I mean, you don't have to jack it up, but I'm about to jack it up just because I don't want to be, I want the car to be like at least this damn high, so I could just literally put it under there and undo them like that. Let's go. All right, y'all. So car is jacked up. Wheels are off the ground, as y'all see. And yeah, this is enough clearance for me to touch on these bolts. Yeah, let's get it, baby. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And I don't see none over here. So this is literally just loose as hell. Oh, 5, 6, 1, 2, so 6 total. 6 total bolts. We gotta undo those. That should be a 10 as well. So let's get it. All right, so I know I just was under the hood and I was lifting this car, showing y'all under, but I'm gonna take these off first, because once these come off, then I could release this part. Now, if I did that part first, as soon as I release these, it would just fall. So I'm gonna do these first and then pull it back, and I might not even have to go under there. Let's see. All right, you guys, so took 1 off, took 2 off. They're right there. And I pretty much broke them off. I'm about to break this off. Let me show y'all. There is an easier way to do this, but I don't have the proper thing to slide under there. It's like a fork. You slide it under there and you pop it up. But I don't have that, so I'm gonna just pop these off. Once I get them taken off and put my light in, by the time my car actually running, once I get the ECU and all that put in, like I'm waiting on that. I know y'all just seen the video, but I'm as of now I'm waiting on the ECU, even though y'all just seen that video. So yeah, I'm doing this install while I'm waiting on my ECU flash. And by the time my ECU flash gets here and I get the base map and everything, I'll already have these replaced. Boom, 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 boom. These will come off easily, I think. But yeah, and then also I'll have my LEDs in there too. So while I have this bumper, while I have all this loose, I'm gonna pretty much keep it loose until I get my LEDs, because I don't want to just put these lights on here without getting my LEDs first. So I'm gonna throw them on with the regular lights first, and then once I get the flash and the base map, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the LEDs in while this is still loose. Once the LEDs are in, I'm gonna go ahead and replace them. Yeah. All right, y'all, finally got the light out. About to unscrew this, put it on there, and pop, pop, pop. Actually taking a little longer than I thought. Had to pretty much take some of the bumper off. I didn't take it completely off, but y'all see that shit. Sinks, I do plan on boosting it, man. I may keep the bumper off, shit, because the more air, the better. And yeah, I might keep that bumper off, but if I keep the bumper off, then I'm probably not gonna paint it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I did have to pull this bracket off. This bracket came off of the old one, and it's gonna lay, you know, flat in here. So now we can toss it in. Still got the plastic on, I guess. I guess I will take that off for y'all. Okay, nice and clean, man. I don't think I'm gonna put it, well, yeah, I guess I can put it in. I still want to pull the lights out of there, like the actual bulbs, and put them in here first. But I kind of don't want to do that. So what I think I may do is go ahead and pull those lights out, put them in here, and then, I don't know, I'm really undecided because I'm about to get LEDs to throw in here. So I really don't want to pull them out. I know I got to get the high beam, not the high beams, but it's a lot going on right now, man. Let me see. All right, you guys, I pulled all the light bulb internals out of here. Pop, 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 pop. I think that's signal. Yeah. And I put them in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know, I don't know if it's this side or this side, but one of the sides, the high beam doesn't work. I'll figure that out once I get, you know, this installed. I'll actually do it right now before I even bolt everything back on. I'm gonna plug them in and see which side the high beam doesn't work, so I could go ahead and replace that before screwing the bumper back on. But the bumper's not about to get screwed on for a little while, so y'all kind of get used to this look for a little bit. All right, you guys, light is installed. This is how it looks compared to, yeah. So looks real nice to me, man. I just actually did like the high beam on this side works. Let me show y'all right now. High beam works. So let me show y'all the signal light. Oh yeah. So there's that, you guys. Now that I actually worked on it and know how to disassemble these brackets, this isn't gonna get strapped on for a little while until I get my LEDs. I know I keep saying that, but this was a pain in the ass, this bumper. So yeah, I'm not screwing that bumper back on because yeah, I gotta get my LEDs thrown in. But yeah, that light's installed. Now we gotta do this second one. Let's do this. All right, you guys, both lights are on. So back to what I was saying, if I keep the lights like that and keep the bumper off because of the turbo and intercooler and all that, and if I keep it like this, I'm not gonna paint it. So yeah, if I keep it like this, it's not gonna get painted. If I keep the bumper off, then I'll have just my intercooler and my lights. Rims will stay, color will stay the same. I will touch up like my side skirts and stuff. Like I'll touch this up black, retint my windows, and just buy coilovers, man, and that'll be it. I won't do nothing else. Oh yeah, my screen, I'll throw a screen in there. Then I'll go ahead and get my seat harnesses and everything. Let me go ahead and show y'all the lights. That's if I keep it like this. See, this is stiff and sturdy. This, I'm having some difficulties getting that on there properly. Once that gets on, it'll be stiff, but getting a little late, and I'm not about to let this stress me the hell out. But it's installed, man. The lights are in. I already took the lights out of there and there. So let's see. Whoa, almost set in there. Let's see. Man, night day difference, huh? Okay, so these, I believe, are my regular headlights. Yeah. And yeah. And you see that one's missing, so I need to get that one. Now let me check my hazard lights. Bumper's still off. Like I say, I'm about to, got a lot of work to do, but ooh, look at that. Pow, pow. Ooh. Let's see. And, oh, that's the brights. Now, regular lights. Now, let's see. Okay. So the regular lights work. I don't know what the hell that is up there. Oh yeah, I didn't plug that one back in. There's that. It didn't click. There's that light. Pow, pow. So my regular lights, my regular beams work. And that's all that matters at the moment. Until I get my LEDs. Just throw the hazards on. Throw the hazards on. That's blinking. And that's blinking. Oh my God, man. Only if y'all knew how long this, look at my damn hands. Look at my garage. Hey, only if y'all knew how long this really took me. I just looked at the clock and it is 1:51. I started this around, I want to say 11, 10. I think 10. I want to say 9. I don't know. It took me at least 3 or 4 hours. This video is going to be real short and sweet for y'all, but it did not take me however long this video is. Say this video 10 minutes. It did not take me 10 minutes to do this. It did not. All right, man, we are to the end of this video. Thank y'all for being patient with your boy. This was a very, very time-consuming video, man. It will not take me 3 or 4 hours to edit this video. It'll take me probably 10, 20 minutes to edit this video. But thank y'all for tuning in with this video, man. More to come. I do have, this was the, so I already got the K Pro. I'm waiting on the K Pro. I know y'all seen me getting it ordered and stuff, but as I'm installing this video, I'm waiting on the K Pro to come. I got my rims, got my lights put in, Mishimoto shift knob. Waiting on the K Pro. We're gonna get the bass map, we're gonna get it tuned, and then shh, stay tuned for the next video, man. Life with D Black, until next video. Play ball. Peace.